Prime Minister Narendra Modi and the US President Donald Trump has revealed the reality of the ceasefire. The call clarifies that the United States had no role whatsoever in brokering the ceasefire between India and Pakistan last month. During a 35-minute phone call with Trump, the Prime Minister stated that the ceasefire was agreed to only after Pakistan pleaded for it and not due to any external mediation. The Foreign Secretary Vikram Misri, briefing on the call, said that the Prime Minister made it clear that at no point during the events and at no level was there any discussion whatsoever on US involvement in the ceasefire or about a trade deal. He also dismissed the claims of such talks with the US Vice President J.D. Vance.
प्रधानमंत्री मोदी और राष्ट्रपति ट्रंप की मुलाकात G7 समिट की साइडलाइंस पर होनी तय थी। राष्ट्रपति ट्रंप को जल्दी वापस अमेरिका लौटना पड़ा, जिसके कारण ये मुलाकात नहीं हो पाई। इसके बाद राष्ट्रपति ट्रंप के आग्रह पर आज दोनों लीडर्स की फोन पर बात हुई। बातचीत लगभग 35 मिनट चली। 22 अप्रैल को पहलगाम आतंकी हमले के बाद राष्ट्रपति ट्रंप ने फोन पर प्रधानमंत्री मोदी को शोक संवेदना प्रकट की थी और आतंक के खिलाफ समर्थन व्यक्त किया था। उसके बाद दोनों लीडर्स की ये पहली बातचीत थी। इसलिए प्रधानमंत्री मोदी ने राष्ट्रपति ट्रंप से ऑपरेशन सिंदूर के बारे में विस्तार से बात की। प्रधानमंत्री मोदी ने राष्ट्रपति ट्रंप को स्पष्ट रूप से कहा कि 22 अप्रैल के बाद भारत ने आतंकवाद के खिलाफ कार्रवाई करने का अपना दृढ़ संकल्प पूरी दुनिया को बता दिया था। प्रधानमंत्री मोदी ने कहा कि 6-7 मई की रात को भारत ने पाकिस्तान और पाकिस्तान ऑक्यूपाइड कश्मीर में सिर्फ आतंकी ठिकानों को ही निशाना बनाया था। भारत के एक्शन बहुत ही मेजर्ड, प्रिसाइज और नॉन एस्केलेटरी थे।
So let's tell you the details that have been revealed of this 35-minute conversation between Prime Minister Modi as well as the US President Donald Trump. So the Prime Minister briefed Trump on Operation Sindoor, informing about the precision strikes that were conducted by India, saying very clearly that these were non-escalatory counter strikes by India. Apart from that, what was discussed in the conversation, the strikes were precise, non-escalatory like we mentioned, and the stand of India, and this is very, very significant, the stand of India on ceasefire has been made clear to the US President Donald Trump by the Prime Minister himself. In this conversation, the phone conversation between the Prime Minister and President Trump, the Prime Minister made it clear that there was no mediation whatsoever and India is opposed to any third-party mediation. In fact, the ceasefire talks had taken place directly with Pakistan, saying it was Pakistan that asked India for a ceasefire, after which India agreed. And there were no questions whatsoever of a trade being spoken of. India never accepted the US mediation, so there is no third-party mediation needed. That has been India's stance before, and it continues to be so, while saying that India is going to respond to Pakistan anytime there is any aggression from there. So these are details of the phone conversation between Prime Minister Modi as well as President Trump. So it was a 35-minute phone call, and this is after multiple claims have been made by the US President Donald Trump multiple times, saying that trade was the reason why there was a ceasefire deal between India and Pakistan. It has, of course, been called out by the Ministry of External Affairs. Now, Prime Minister Modi himself saying it directly to President Trump in the phone conversation. Now, we are breaking up